Ayanu. Welcome to our new vlog.
Today I'm going to unbox this Onyx Studio 7 Harman Kardon speaker, and let's do it right now. So first of all, this is how the inside of the speaker looks like. It's a duo speaker that is connected through Bluetooth, and this is how the front looks. It is covered by a leather layer. So now let's go ahead and open it. Like this and like this. Then we just do this and we open it from here. And here is our speaker. Let's take it out. It's kind of heavy. And ta-da! It's a cute circle shape, and it's like a circle, and it has this steel thingy that you can hold it from, and has these rubber pieces on the bottom so that it doesn't get damaged when you put it on different type of surfaces. And you can turn it on from here. Here's the on and off button, and you can control the volume with the plus and the minus sign, and you can connect the Bluetooth by pressing on the Bluetooth sign for a few seconds. And this is to play or pause the music or whatever you're playing on the speaker. So this speaker also has an instruction manual and also the charger, and once you charge it, it can play up to 8 hours, and I think that's a good amount of time considering we don't really host big parties, and I think this is good enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it right now. So I'm just gonna turn it on like this by pressing on the on button, and then it opens like this.
It's a cool sound.
And it's connected. So let's go ahead and play a song. I'm gonna play one of my favorite songs by TXT because I like to listen to K-pop and it's kind of slay. So let's go ahead and choose a song. I like this one. And as you saw, the song was like super cool, and to disconnect it's pretty simple. You just press it once and it disconnects by turning off and everything. For if you really want to use these speakers in big parties, you can also go ahead and buy some more of these, and then they can connect together, and then it sounds like a big hall or venue, you know, like those cool party halls. Yeah, and I really like it. Kind of gives off a steering wheel vibe. So that's it. Yeah. So that was all for today's vlog. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to support the small content creators, kind of like us. We're starting out and we would really like appreciate your support, and don't forget to respect and love everyone. Bye.